Now, mathematical representation of the solution. The system of simultaneous linear equation a1x plus b1y plus c1z equals 0 and a2x plus b2y plus c2 equals 0 has a unique solution if and only if we have a1 by a2 is not equal b1 by b2. It is the condition for a unique solution. Infinitely many solutions if and only if a1 by a2 equal b1 by b2 equals c1 by c2 and has no solution if and only if a1 by a2 equal b1 by b2 but not equal c1 by c2. Means the pair of linear equation in two variable has a unique solution if a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2. Since it has a unique solution, then it forms consistent system. Infinitely many solutions conditions a1 by a2 equal b1 by b2 equals c1 by c2. It is also form consistent system, and if these two equation has no solution, then we have a1 by a2 equal b1 by b2 but not equal to c1 by c2. It is the condition of inconsistent system. It is first part of question number 12. For what values of c given linear equation have infinite number of solution? First linear equation is 2x plus 3y equal 2, and second linear equation is c plus 2x plus 2c plus 1y equal to c minus 1, and we have to find the value of c if these two equations have infinite number of solutions. Since given equations has infinitely many solutions, then we have the property a1 by a2 equal b1 by b2 equal c1 by c2. a1 is the coefficient of x in first equation, which is 2. a2 is the coefficient of x in second equation, which is c plus 2. b1 is the coefficient of y in first equation, which is 3. b2 is the coefficient of y in second equation, 2c plus 1. Similarly, c1 constant term 2, c2 constant term in second equation, c minus 1. Now we solve any two equations, any two term, means we have 2 by c plus 2 equal 3 by 2c plus 1, cross multiply 4c plus 2 equal 3c plus 6, then 4c minus 3c equal 6 minus 2, then value of c is 4. If the value of c is 4, then these two equations has infinitely many solutions. Now second question is, for what values of a the following equation has no solution? Since given equation has no solution, then a1 by a2 equal b1 by b2 is not equal c1 by c2. Put the value of a1, a2, b1, b2, c1, c2. a1 is the coefficient of x in first equation, which is 3a plus 1. a2 is the coefficient of x in second equation, which is a square plus 1. Coefficient of y in first equation 3. Coefficient of y in second equation a minus 2. c1 constant term of second equation. Now solve these two equations. We have 3a plus 1 by a square plus 1, 3 by a minus 2, then 3a plus 1 and to a minus 2 equal 3a square plus 1. Now 3a square minus 6a plus a minus 2 equal 3a square plus 3. Now 3a square 6a plus a minus 5a minus 2 minus 3a square minus 3. We have 3 square cancel. Minus 5a equal minus 2 minus 3 minus 5. Then minus 5a equal 5. Then value of a is minus 5 by 5 means value of a is minus 1. And it is answer. If the value of a is minus 1, then these two equations has no solution. Question number 14. Find the value of a and b if the given equation has infinitely many solutions. Then since the given equation has infinitely many solutions, then we have condition a1 by a2 equal b1 by b2 equal c1 by c2. a1 by a2 means 2 by a plus b plus 1. b1 by b2 means 3 by a plus 2b plus 2. And c1 by c2 means 7 by 4a plus 4b plus 1. Means a1 is coefficient of x in first equation, b1 is coefficient of y in first equation, and c1 is constant term. Similarly, a2 is coefficient of x in second equation, b2 is coefficient of y in second equation and C2 is constant term. Now we have 2 by a plus b plus 1 and 3 by a plus 2b plus 1. From here we get first equation in terms of a and b, then 2a plus 4b plus 4 equal 3a plus 3b plus 3, then 2a minus 3a plus 4b minus 3b equal 3 minus 4. We have minus a plus b equal minus 1. It is our first equation. Now from these two terms we have 3 by a plus 2b plus 2, 7 by 4a plus 4b plus 1, cross multiply, 12a plus 12b plus 3 equal 7a plus 14b plus 14. Now 12a minus 7a is equal plus 12b minus 14b equal 14 minus 3. Then 12a minus 7a we have 5a, 12b minus 14b we have minus 2b equal 11, and it is second equation. Now first equation is multiplied by 2. We have first equation is multiplied by 2, then minus 2a plus 2b equal minus 2. Since coefficient of b is equal and of opposite sign, then we add these two equations, minus 2b plus 2b. On adding cancel out, 5a plus 5a minus 2a we have 3a, 11 minus 2 is 9, then value of a is 9 by 3 means 3. Put a equal 3 in equation 1. Equation 1 is minus a plus b equal minus 1, a equal 3, minus 3 plus b equal minus 1, then b equal 3 minus 1 and value of b is 2, and it is answer.